Santana Park, the home of Sports of Kings, where racing is always at its best, and the rope. Early lead is taken by Bebot. It's Bebot in the lead, followed by entry number 3, Bangge on the outside, Precious Metal, Stormtrooper, and Power Gear. Sharp Cookie moving up on the inside. The mid-back stretch, Bebot by a length and a half, followed by Bangge in second, Power Gear, and Stormtrooper moving up on the inside, Precious Metal. Rounding the far turn, it is still Bebot in the lead by 2.5 lengths, followed by Precious Metal, and moving up by the rail is Stormtrooper. Rounding the far turn, it is still Bebot in the lead. It's Bebot followed by Bangge in second, and Stormtrooper moving up on the inside in third. And Power Gear on the outside, Precious Metal, and Sharp Cookie. The last bend for home, it is still Bebot in the lead. It's Bebot followed by Stormtrooper by the rail, Bangge on the farther outside. And into the home stretch and nearing the payoff line is still Bebot on the outside, Stormtrooper by the rail, and Bangge. And nearing the payoff line, Bebot on the outside. It's Bebot on the outside and Stormtrooper by the rail. It's now Stormtrooper by the rail. And finally, it's Stormtrooper, Bangge. Rather, entry number 5, Bebot, Super Elegant, Bangge.
157, at least yung una natin nakitang tatlo. At mukhang pumasok